I hope they could remember the thingum out of their head. But yeah, man. My boy Kenneth come to do work. I tell you by the butlers. Well, I know by butlers in this game. Yeah. Who in the Rockets? You in? Yeah. You ban one, he ban two, and then it come back to you. You ban the last stage. So you do the first, he do the yeah. All right, so Kokusai is at the bottom. I gotta swap this out. I'll probably turn my voice a bit more because I know I get a little loud. All right. So we have Homemade versus Kokusai. Now Homemade just beat me, so that means he's in winners semis. After this, I'm gonna run through the losers bracket, which is gonna be me versus Boom, and then it's going to be the winner of this is going to fight Chamblu, and that's going to be a best 3 out of 5. Although I would love another setup, but apparently but no matter, let's just get back to the game. So Kokusai decided that he's going to use Little Mac. Damn. Wow, and he started off really strong with that first stock. So there are, for the people that probably are new to the Smash community, there are a bunch of different Smash games that we play. There's Melee, there's Super Smash Bros. Melee, there's Project M, and then there's Smash 4. Smash 4 has its champions, Melee has its champions, and as you can see, Kokusai is he's one of the top players in the community. I would say, like, not really the top, but he's up there. So Kokusai is not a player you kind of like you want to sleep on. Yeah, and he got him with it. No, nice forward beat up B, and he seals game 2. Wow, I'm in game 1. So Kokusai starting off pretty strong. No, I think you have to pick first. If you're going to change characters, okay. You'll have to pick first. But you can counter pick. Okay. Alright, so I just have to explain the rules. Loser picks last. Okay, so it looks like Kokusai is going to go Lucas. And okay, it seems as Homemade is supposed to pick stage. No, not you. He picked stage. He lost. I was saying you could ban before he picked. Okay. All right, so Kokusai bans FD, and we're gonna see where Kenneth is going to go. So we're definitely doing more stage strikes this lap than we did before. But anyway, I don't know what made Kokusai go Lucas. Is it because of Battlefield? But I'm pretty sure, no, Battlefield was in the stage they started off on. They started off on... Wow, okay. So it looks like Homemade is kind of like slowing it down a little bit more now, because he knows that, okay, you know what, I tried to force my way in versus his middle mark. That wasn't working out for me. So I'm going to, you know, kind of slow it down with Falco and kind of take my time. I don't know what made Kokusai actually go Lucas though. I really don't see the point. Lil Mac was working out for him, but maybe it was the element of surprise. He probably felt like, you know what, I could use the element of surprise on my side. Okay, went for the PK freeze, but got nothing out of it. Ooh, got the up smash. Tried to go for 2 up smashes. Homemade saying, nah, I'm not gonna land on top of your head, man. Like, that's just silly. Got him with the second PK fire. Nice forward smash. Didn't get the strong hit of it though. Kokusai is really good at sweet spotting those PK thunders. It seems, ooh, nice. Tried to catch him with the forward smash, he was unable to get it. And Homemade was able to seal up the first stock. Now, I know he's going to have to try and take full advantage of this first stock. He needs to try and extend his lead, because that's the only way that he's actually... Okay, nice. I was saying that he needed to extend the lead right there, because usually, like, when you play Smash, you kind of want to extend your lead as much as possible. That was a nice jab attack, but... What? That's a wing on the Fox Clouds. Yeah. No, bundle. Not Is that 1-1? Okay. Sorry about that. I say we might need another setup. I say we might need another setup. So we can move over top of those bracket a bit faster. Because I know it's all man coming from exactly 9. Their pieces in here, right? Where's your Wii U? Michael, where's your Wii U? We need to do another setup. Huh? Because I need to run through this bracket a little faster. If you expect to get it here by 9. If you expect to get it here by 9, you need another setup. Alright, so sorry about that. I needed to evaluate the time and we're gonna get out of the end. It's already 8:30. We still have a losers bracket to run through. So just kinda like trying to get this out of the way. He was kind of waiting on him to hit his shield. Okay. So Kokusai gets it.